Mayong udto kanatong tinen. Yesterday's celebration on the solemnity of the Corpus Christi, we are reminded that God enters into this very humbling reality of being the food at table in the Eucharist in order to nourish our relationship with Him. For food nourishes relationships. For food sustains relationship. And this is also our task, to nourish each other's relationship in the people whom we are in relationship with, family members, even friends and colleagues. This is how to be the food to others, because we continually receiving the food, the bread from heaven, Jesus Christ in the Eucharist, that nourishes our relationship with Him. In today's Gospel is one thing and one way of how we can be a food to others, of how we can be Eucharistic when it comes to our relationship with others, nourishing each other's relationships. And we are told and being warned in the Gospel today to stop judging so that we will never be judged. Sometimes, along with our human nature, along with our fallen state, we will always be feasting on the bad things that others have done. Nindot kayo pistahan kining mga apan sa uban. Nindot kayo sumsuman kining mga apan o mga bati nga tumakitan sa uban. And somehow, this is a struggle. This is a kind of a perennial issue that we want to fight against. Because if we are actually drawn towards this kind of tendency, then it would cover our own faults, it would cover our own sinfulness, and we will always become hypocrites. Because the more that we feast on others' evils, the more that we are blinded by our own evil. The more that we see the evil things of others, the more that we are shrouded with the illusion that we have nothing evil in ourselves. And that is why the Lord wants us to realize that if we see the evil of others, we bring as well our own evil in life. We bring as well our own sinfulness, so that by treating this kind of issue, we will be treating this out of humility, not out of pride, not out of wanting to be superior with others by telling ourselves, di man ko ingon ana. But then again, we are becoming hypocrites. We are becoming not the food that nourishes relationships. We are not becoming Eucharistic in our fellowship with others. What we need is to continue to nourish our relationship. And what nourishes our relationship is the honesty and the sincerity in our hearts. Not isolating our own sinfulness if we see the sinfulness of others. Bringing also our weaknesses when we see the weaknesses of others. So that in this way, we will be progressing together. Not one is inferior and the other is superior. Not one is righteous and the other one is wicked and condemned. Then therefore, the Lord wants us to be Eucharistic in our approaches and attitudes. The Lord wants us to be the food that nourishes relationships. And we can only do this if we lead a life of humility and sincerity. Amen.